क्यों अच्छा लग रहा हूँ आज मैं?
वो आपका चेहरा बता रहा है। आई डोंट नो द रीजन बिहाइंड लेकिन चेहरे पे तो सारा आप, आप चेहरे से ही दिखते हैं, आपके अंदर जो चल रहा है ना।
मतलब हुसैन सर, आप ऐसा बोल रहे हो कि सर आज अच्छे दिख रहे हैं, इससे पहले अच्छे नहीं दिखते हैं।
अरे वो अच्छे ही लगते हैं वो, लेकिन
नहीं
जो
नहीं,
रश
हुसैन
ऑफ
सर,
रश ऑफ
हुसैन सर इज ए ग्रेट फ्लैटरर।
सर
ये
हो जाए
होम्योपैथी में
बड़े
है, इसलिए हमारे साथ है।
ये
पॉलिटिक्स में अगर होते ना,
गाना गाओ गाना, मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं। सर हो गए, देखो न, लग गई हुसैन भाई की।
हाँ, शिंदे सर, आपका थोड़ा वीडियो फ्रीज हो रहा है बीच बीच में। मुझे लग रहा है या सभी को लग रहा है? प्लीज बोलिए एक बार।
हाँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे
थोड़ा फ्रीज
लगता
हो
है।
रहा है, फ्रीज हो रहा है।
जी,
सर ये
एक
एसी
बार लीव
एक
करके
दिन
ज्वाइन कीजिए सर।
एसी चिल रखा है एकदम, वाईफाई को भी ठंड लगने लगी।
जी सर, अभी एकदम ठीक है सर।
ओके
एकदम
सर।
शहन
स्टार्ट करते
शहनाई।
हैं हुसैन सर। रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट कर दीजिए।
जी सर,
ये
स्टार्ट है।
रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट की है।
ओके, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू so much. Good evening, a very good evening to our most revered Guruji, Dr. Ashok Kumar Mohanty sir, Dr. Milind Rao sir, Dr. Narendra Gupta sir, Dr. Mahesh Chandra sir, हमारे मोस्ट सीनियर एंड रिस्पेक्टेड मेंटर डॉक्टर मनोज जायसवाल सर, डॉक्टर दिलीप जानी सर, डॉक्टर एम बी महादिक सर, डॉक्टर एस आनंद सर, डॉक्टर शशिकांत शिंदे सर, और हमारे सभी रिस्पेक्टेड आईएचएफ फैमिली मेंबर्स। तो जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है, आज की ये जो हमारी बीसी है, तो इसको हमारे रिस्पेक्टेड एंड सीनियर मेंटर डॉक्टर शशिकांत शिंदे सर होस्ट करने वाले हैं। उन्होंने अपना केस प्रेजेंट किया है। मुझे पर्सनली बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हम अ, 2 दिन शिंदे सर के केस के लिए दे रहे हैं, और आप लोगों का आज बहुत बढ़िया पार्टिसिपेशन रहा। मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई। थोड़ा सा मैं उस तरह से उतना एक्टिव नहीं रह पाया, तो उसका थोड़ा मलाल भी है, लेकिन सच में बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे। और आप लोगों को समझ आ रहा है सर का जो मेथड है, उनका जो टेक्निक है, वो कैसे केस में एंटर करते हैं, कैसे रेमेडीज को समझते हैं। तो अलग अलग डायमेंशन के ऊपर वो हमको लेके जाते हैं। तो सच में बहुत वास्ट, जैसे हमारा नेचर है, हमारा यूनिवर्स है, बहुत वास्ट है ना, वो लगातार एक्सपैंड हो रहा है। तो वैसा सर का है। तो उनके केसेस से हमको ये सीखने को मिलता है कि हमको खुद को अ, छोटे नंबर तक, या कुछ कुछ भी वो नंबर हो सकता है, उस नंबर तक रेमेडीज तक हमको खुद को लिमिटेड नहीं रखना है। हमको खुद को उस तरह से एक्सपांड करना है, हमारी डायमेंशन को उस तरह से बढ़ाना है। तो सच में मैं हमेशा बहुत इंजॉय करता हूँ, अपनी तरफ से बहुत हार्ड वर्क भी करता हूँ सर का केस क्रैक करने का। और इस बार थोड़ा ये मिसिंग था, मैं नहीं कर पाया। लेकिन सच में उनके केस को क्रैक करने की कोशिश में हम बहुत सारी ऐसी ऐसी मेडिसिन के बारे में पढ़ते हैं। पर्सनली मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है, तो कई बार सर मेरे को भी मजाक में बोल देते हैं कि कहाँ कहाँ से आप नाम लेके आते हो, मैंने भी नहीं ये देखा है। तो सच में एक से एक जो हमारी यूनिवर्स का डायमेंशन है, वो ओपन अप होता है, और हम एक्सपांड करते हैं। तो ये सच में सर का एक अपना एक खास क्वालिटी है। और ये सब हमारे ग्रुप मेंबर्स में भी आए, ऐसी सर की भी शुभ इच्छा है, और हमारी भी। तो उनका वेलकम करते हुए आज की इस बीसी को हम स्टार्ट करते हैं, और हमारे हुसैन सर को वेलकम करते हैं कि वो आगे प्रोसीड करेंगे। जी, वेलकम हुसैन सर।
जी सर, केस शुरू करते हैं।
ओके, गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल। एम आई ऑडिबल?
ओके सर, ठीक है। एक सेकंड सर बस। तो आज की हमारी इस वीसी में हम हमारी आईएचए फैमिली की ओर से हमारे रिस्पेक्टेड एंड सीनियर मेंटर डॉक्टर शशिकांत शिंदे सर का वेलकम करते हैं। वेलकम सर, अ वेरी गुड इवनिंग
थैंक
सर।
यू। गुड इवनिंग सर।
ओवर टू यू सर।
थैंक यू सर। तो ये जो भी दिया हुआ है ये सब मेरे टीचर्स ने सिखाया है, मेरा कुछ भी नहीं है ये। वो कैरी डिजर फास्ट जिसको बोलते हैं, या कंधे पे लेके वो चल रहे। नथिंग इज माइंड, एवरीथिंग इज गिवन बाय द केस टुडे।
हेलो सर, केस को पढ़ना है ना?
हाँ, आप पढ़ोगे?
यस सर।
बीच में मैं आपको कभी कभी रोकूंगा, तो वहां पे आपको थोड़ा पॉज लेना पड़ेगा।
यस। This is the case of 40 years old male patient suffering from diabetes type 2. Doctor, tell me about your problem. Patient, diabetes, fear and anxiety. 3A, weakness. 2A, I don't want to start anything new. I don't want
Wait, wait,
interruption.
wait. So ये जो one है ना, this is the name, means it is the name of a disease. 2 is the fact. Fact means aggravation, amelioration, positive factor, concomitant. So we ascribe this kind of level. 3 is emotions. What is feeling emotionally? If is anxious, restless, sad, grief, that is 3. Yes, ma'am. Proceed.
I don't want to start anything new. I don't want interruption in my daily routine. What is running smoothly must run as it is. Hint for column or row. No new trouble, nothing else. Doctor, how did diabetes start? What are causative factors? Patient, since 2017, I have been in my native village in Diwali vacation. Some insect bitten me and I developed a rash. 2A. Now eruption is all over the body. I had shown to GP. He said it's an allergy. When came back to Pune, eruption turned back. 2B. I had vesicles on my forehead. 2A. In blood test, sugar detected. Doctor, did you have typical diabetes symptoms like frequent thirst, urine, hunger? Patient, no. I was reluctant to start allopathic medicine, so often on medication. It may cause side effects. Then I started Ayurvedic medicine, Jamba, so sugar is fluctuating. Fasting around 132 and PP is more than 200. I had some kind swelling in left buccal cavity. He had been told by pediatrician that it's the cause for my epilepsy in childhood. 2B. I got operated for same. Now I just have small swelling at birth. See till in second down. I got operated for piles. Our company is shifts, so it's a good habit. I think maybe the reason for colitis. There is also diabetes. 15. Doctor is telling me her consumption of NSAID develops drug reaction. Said using cold poison. Now cold stop since 2000. Nothing to 2017. Charge. Test out your cold moods. 2. Numbing during I had an stop. I had consulted homeopathic physician month. Told me it will take time options to have you diabetes. Specialist told me very deep can't go. Tablet you taking molasses took some time. Bedford. All for remember. Really. Metformin. Yes, 500. Again, he is no sense his rather than
मैम
पूजा में
हाँ
आवाज सर
आपकी ब्रेक हो रही है, कैसे मिस करें मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है इस बार बोलिए कि फिर केस
प्रवीण सर
हेलो
आपकी आवाज आई डोंट नो व्हाई लेकिन आप दोनों की आवाज वो जब मैं लास्ट 1 मिनट आप
ओके
सर
जी सर बीसी फिर से स्टार्ट करें क्योंकि ज्यादातर मेंबर्स बोल रहे हैं कि उनको आवाज ब्रेक हो रहा है
अभी आ रहा है सर अच्छे से
ओके अभी आ रहा है
जी सर
ठीक है तो कंटिन्यू करते हैं जी
फिर
पूजा
से
मैम आप
सर
कंटिन्यू कीजिए जी
शुरू से
जी
पढ़ूं
जी
This is the case of 40 years old male patient suffering from diabetes type 2. Tell me about your problem. Patient diabetes, fear and anxiety 3A, weakness 2A. I don't want to start anything new. I don't want interruption in my daily routine. What is running smoothly must run as it is. Hint for column or row. No new trouble, nothing else. Doctor, how did diabetes start? What are causative factors? Patient, since 2017, I have been in my native village in Diwali vacation. Some insect bitten me and I developed rash 2A. Now eruption is all over the body. I had shown to GP He said it's an allergy. When I came back to Pune, eruption turned black. 2B. I had vesicles on my forehead. 2A. In blood test, sugar detected. Doctor, did you have typical diabetes symptoms like frequent thirst, urine, hunger? Patient, no, I was reluctant to start allopathic medicine so often on medication. It may cause side effects. Then I started Ayurvedic medicine, Jambasav. Sugar is fluctuating, fasting around 132 and PP is more than 200. I had some kind swelling in left buccal cavity. He had been told by pediatrician that it's the cause for my epilepsy in childhood. 2B. I got operated for same. Now I just have small swelling as birthmark. No epilepsy till date. In second lockdown, I got operated for piles. I'm working in company in 3 shifts. So irregular food habits. Night watching may be the reason for diabetes mellitus. Mother is also diabetic since 2015. Doctor is telling me due to overconsumption of NSAIDs, I may develop fixed drug reaction. I used to take cetirizine for cold coryza. Now cold coryza is stopped since 2013. Nothing in between 13 to 2017. Maybe suppressed discharge. Doctor, tell me about your cold coryza. Patient, sneezing and running nose. 2A. Numbness in head during coryza. 2B. I had taken oil neti, then it stopped. I had consulted homeopathic physician last month. He told me that it will take time for eruptions to go, but I can't help you in DM. Skin specialist told me it's a very deep lesion, can't go. Doctor, what tablet you are taking for DM? Patient, he took something looking befuddled. I don't remember. Laughing, small clue for remedy. Doctor, metformin. Patient, yes, 500. My nature is coward. 3A. Again, he spontaneously came to his nature. He is more sensitive to his nature rather than his disease or symptoms. Patient gives us small hints what he wants to be treated. Doctor, tell me more about this. Patient, like if I have to reach here, anxiety starts popping up before I leave for clinic. 3B. I'm not audacious. Doctor, what things make you anxious? Patient, new work or responsibility. 5B. I'm in constant dilemma. 5C. I won't avoid it. I won't I won't avoid it. Doctor, can you give me an example? Patient, my daughter is in CBSE board. I want her to be in state board, but I can't constant dilemma. 5C. Should I or should not I? I don't want in trouble due to me. 5A. This is fear. I know nothing happens, but still doubt suspicion. 5C. Doctor, when did you experience intense fear in your life? Patient, at workplace, home, someone may suffer health wise, just in mind, nothing else. I told him that I am not interested in treating your diabetes or XYZ, but I want to treat you. Please be open, frank. I'm frightened even before sexual intercourse. I was doubting I'm able to do it. 5A. Kingdom. I had taken treatment for same but not effective. Wife also becomes irritable, then my anxiety increases. She used to threaten me. I know her that she is not going to do such things, but my inner mind used to not listen. She may leave me is big fear, what people would say. 4B. Doctor, what is happening in intercourse? Patient, no erection. Uh, her tones were playing in my mind, so I am anxious. Shall go or not? I used to go to her in such anxiety and getting failed. It had compounding anxiety effect. Now everything is normal. His main problem is anxiety. So let's understand anxiety in full depth. Doctor, tell me more about your dilemma. Not being audacious. How are you and what you want to become? Patient, I don't want to take decision. Let the other person take it and I will follow it. Like as you say or as per your wish. Laughing. This is hiding or coping mechanism. Patient is subconsciously aware of his sensation, which is stupid but can't help. If things happen better, then I'm ready to take credit. But if happens opposite way, then I'm ready to blame. Blame game. Doctor, tell me about your dilemma. Suppose if I ask you either take allopathy or homeopathy, what will start happening? Tell me sensation. Patient. Yesterday night, my daughter told me that any tablet from any pathy will affect your kidney. 4B. So, at reception counter, only I ask this. I obey what will be told to me, even contradictory. I keep my opinion aside and follow others. 5C. Doctor, what is this procedure? Patient, I am not confident. 5A. He is tapping his hand on arm. Doctor, suppose you took some decision and it failed. What would you feel? Patient, bad. I must have think twice. I want time to take decision. I don't take hasty decision. 5B column hint. Doctor, did you take any decision for which you got blamed? Patient, waited for few minutes. Never. Doctor, in your childhood, young age, school days? Patient, once during playing, I threw my friend from wall. Then father scolded me. I should have avoided it. Doctor, what is the feeling? Patient, why I am behaving like this? Why my brain doesn't work when needed? 5C. Doctor, you told me that you feel numb in your head during coryza. Now brain doesn't work. What is this? Patient, means which may I should take this or that. Column hint. Even I take 2 days to call anyone. What he will say? Will I utter wrong word? I want to cut the conversation. Don't want to extend it. I may commit a mistake which may hurt the other person. 4C. So I speak less. Doctor, let's assume worst scenario. What will happen? Patient, bad. I should not have behaved like this. I am not worthy to call human being. I have committed a mistake. 5C3. Hint for column. Doctor, what comes to you when you say mistake? Patient, like I won't finish my stuff during talking. I'm not waiting till he or she finishes. I just want to take out the stuff. I interrupt other person's talk. He himself doesn't want to get interrupted. This is vice versa process. I should wait patiently till conversation finishes. I may forget my point. If you ask me about my daughter's standard, I need to recollect it. I need time to remember. Befuddled. Doctor, what things you need to recollect? Patient, about kids. Doctor, since when you start suffering from this? Patient, since diabetes, my palm skin peels off. Doctor, when you hear word mistake, what comes to you? Patient, I have committed something big. 4A. Silence for few minutes. Other person will never forgive you. 4C. Doctor, you told me earlier that I am not worthy of calling as a human being. Now other person will not forgive. What does it mean by two sentences? What is the exact experience? Patient, restless and anxious. 5C3. This is the sensation which is a ruling his life. This is the central theme running in his life. I want to go to washroom frequently, sweating. I want to hit myself. Doctor, now forget anything. Close your eyes and experience. You have committed a mistake which is not forgivable, non human. You are too anxious, restless. You got an urge for washroom, sweating. You want to hit yourself. What sensation you feel in your body? Experience that incidence. time scenario. Patient, my body is energyless. माझ्या अंगात त्राण नाही. Everything is a finish. Column hint. This is the exact language of remedy he needs. Doctor, what does it mean by everything is finished? Patient, I want to sleep in peaceful atmosphere. I will handle the situation after sleep. Whatever say, whatever way I will see it. Doctor, let's assume that I'm in your shoes. In what scenarios I will be so much restless, anxious, etc. Patient, like you mishandle or wrongly diagnose any patient, wrong treatment or high power dose of medicine. Patient may suffer due to you. You will repent on your decision. He describes some incidents in politics and social life. I can't stand by incidents. I want to hit. He wants to hit himself also. I want to avoid it. Remedy is now clear. Now we need confirmation. Doctor, see this picture. Woman 1 and tell me whatever comes to you. Patient, she is bare chested. Her face, hand gestures has a weird expression. Dress is not proper. She is displaying her body. Doctor, what do you feel when you see such woman? Patient, they must look decent. Their looks arouses sexual feelings. They must carry themselves properly. They invite rape. Doctor, what will be the experience of rape victim? Patient, she had committed mistake by her own. Same sensation coming back. Now it's confirmed. She should not blame others. 5C. They have freedom to wear, but it may excite like invitation. It's your fault. 5A. It's your mistake only. 5C. Doctor, what is the effect of mistake? Patient, people will tease her, stalk her, sexual harassment. Suppose I done, then people will hit me. I may get arrested and punished in courts of law. He is hitting himself or wants to hit others. Doctor, suppose you were penalized and you are saying she induced sexual feelings. What would you feel? Patient, I must have controlled myself. I will feel guilty. What's the difference between human and animals? Doctor, what is the difference between human and animals? Patient, human beings have shame, embarrassment. Animals can shit on road, but humans see here and there before doing it in public place. Doctor, what are the episodes where you can find humans guilty? Patient, injustice, sexual harassment, rape, child rape. One should not downgrade so much. Before hitting anyone, we think twice. How can anyone commit murder, rape, 4C? From his wife, Doctor. Tell me about your husband. He is an introvert. I said, do you give me chance to open his mouth? We both laugh. He doesn't share. Takes workload. He is getting panic after detecting diabetes. He is sick in his mind. He is calm. Doctor, in which things you want rectification? Wife, we must share so that his stress will vent. He avoids dialogue. He is a friendless, only routine home to factory and vice versa. He just obeys whatever told to him. Then he is an ideal doctor. Then he is an ideal husband. How can you complain about him? No friends, no party, no bad habits. Still, as a wife, you have complaint box. Wife, I asked him to socialize. You went off, get an experience. Doctor, why don't you take him when you go to meet your friends? Wife, oh, he is actually disinterested person. He doesn't have any choice. Doctor, means he doesn't resist and you don't like it. Wife, yes, I don't like it. He doesn't like to take decision. He remains indifferent and doesn't want to face blame. He might be frightful. This is the case.
सर नो वॉइस
आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
आवाज नहीं आ रही सर।
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the experience of this case for you? What should be treated in the patient? You are written all beautifully in the group. माडिक सर आप ही बोलिए।
इसकी तो चारों तरफ से लग गई है, इसको तो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, नया जॉब करने जाता है तब भी इसको प्रॉब्लम है, हर जगह पे ये डर डर ही रहा है, ये डिसीजन भी नहीं ले पा रहा है, डिसीजन में भी दूसरे को पूछ रहा है, ये खुद डिसीजन लिया तो इसको लगता है कि फेल्योर में जाऊंगा, कॉन्फिडेंस है नहीं बंदे में कुछ।
Okay, sir. Now we have to prescribe him. So he had told us, I am not confident. So his
और एक
problem is
कोवर्ड भी
not.
बोला है, कोवर्ड भी
Yes,
बोला है,
yes.
उसने खुद ही बोला है कि मैं
I am not.
कोवर्डाइज हूँ।
Yes, yes, yes. So यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है 5A. उससे sir, can you read the 5A sentences in the case?
हाँ सर, एक मिनट। पिन करना पड़ेगा। किस पिन नहीं, मैं कर रहा हूँ सर, रीड कर रहा हूँ।
नहीं, पिन के ऊपर 2 बार दबाओ, आ जाती है केस।
ओके ओके, आ गया। 5A ना सर?
Yes, yes.
पहली बार लिखा है 5A में, जहाँ पर आया है, आई एम फ्राइटन इवन बिफोर सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स, आई वाज डाउटिंग एम एबल टू डू इट। ये 5A लिखा है सर ने केस में। यहाँ पर वो डाउट कर रहा है, क्या मैं सच में कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं कर पाऊंगा। फिर उसके बाद लिखा है, सर ने पूछा है उनको, पेशेंट को, कि क्या प्रोसीजर क्या होती है, तो उन्होंने बोला कि आई एम नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट। ही इज टैपिंग हिज हैंड ऑन आर्म, जो सर ने हमको वहां पे वीडियो दिया था, जिस तरह वो टैप कर रहा है हैंड का। तो यहाँ भी सर ने किंगडम को हमको दिखाने के लिखा है, आई एम नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट, ऐसा पेशेंट बोल रहा है। उसके बाद केस में और
What will be the experience of a rape victim? She had committed mistake by her own.
ये भी है।
Okay. Means
यस,
इस patient में he is not blaming anyone. He is not blaming atmosphere, culture, society, persons, but he is blaming himself for whatever happening in his life. So we can convert this into कि मुझ में कुछ कमी है, I am lacking in something. So this is the hint for mineral kingdom. Do everybody got it?
सर थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करो।
मैं बीमार हूं नॉट इसलिए कि वो आदमी मुझे परेशान कर रहा है, या मेरे लाइफ में सिचुएशंस ऐसी है जिसकी वजह से मुझे परेशानी हो रही है, बट ही इज सेइंग कि मुझ में कुछ कमी है, आई एम नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट, व्हाट शुड आई डू, शुड आई गो हियर और शुड आई गो देयर, दैट इज हिज डायलेमा which is running constantly in this case. So the positive factor in his case is मुझ में कुछ कमी है, I am lacking in something, I am not confident, I am in constant dilemma, I am coward. So mineral kingdom patients will always blame themselves rather than the situations like plant or the other person like in animal kingdom.
Okay, sir. Got it. Got it.
Yes. Now in the periodic table, what we have to see to which things, which row and which column he belongs to. Just intersection of column and row will give us the remedy. So what do you think? Where it is? Where he has actually a problem? What is the stressful situation in his life? Where is getting stress in day to day life?
जो करना
जहां पे
चाहता
भी
वो कर नहीं
परफॉर्मेंस की बात आती है, परफॉर्मेंस की बात आती है तब
ओके, बट उसका परफॉर्मेंस कैसा है? यस सर,
एट द एंड वो
प्लीज
कर
बी
जाता है,
ओपन.
कर जाता है,
हाँ,
करता है, वो करता है.
बट कब करता है ये? अगर
जब
दूसरा
उसके
कोई
ऊपर
बोले तो ये करता है.
डाला जाता है, डाला जाता है, इसके ऊपर थोपा जाता है, तब दूसरे से पूछ के करता है.
यस. सो इसकी जो प्रॉब्लम है कहाँ पे आती है ये? डिसीजन मेकिंग में.
यस.
Head belongs to another.
यस. सो व्हाट इज द रेमेडी?
Alumina.
Alumina may be.
मीना आ गए तेरा दीवाना. I given clear hint for the remedy. So is it alumina only?
Yes, sir.
No. It's not alumina. How can you think I can give you such a small cake of case?
हो गई कहानी में
ऐसे
twist.
घुमाते रहे दिन भर.
अरे I have to entertain you for 48 hours.
मजा आया. Okay, carry on, sir.
What he told us, which is very interesting part, why sometimes we have to take the case in a deep manner. The reason behind this is, when I asked him about woman 2, what he told us, she is bare chested. Now you are seeing
Yes.
many
He
my
blamed,
cases.
he blamed that female because of her bare chest. She will be raped, and she will be responsible for that suffering.
And what is her experience? She has committed mistake by her own. She
Yes.
should not blame others. They have freedom to wear, but it may excite. Like invitation, it's your fault. It's your mistake. Now, if we see in just alumina, this mistake doesn't justify by alumina. So what people will do? People will tease her, stalk her, sexual harassment, and suppose I had done, then people will hit me. I may get arrested and punished in courts of law. What would be the experience of you were penalized? I must have control myself. I feel guilty. And then he tells us कि मैं आदमी या मनुष्य कहने के लायक नहीं हूं. मैं मानव जाति के ऊपर कलंक हूं. मुझ में और जानवरों में क्या फरक रहा? माझ्यात आणि जनावरांमध्ये काय फरक आहे? मी मनुष्य जातीला लागलेला कलंक आहे. सो इज दिस फिटिंग इन अल्युमिना?
सर ब्रोमियम का है. Guilty conscious.
Yes. So what must be the remedy?
Aluminum bromatum.
Yes. So everybody is now very intellectual, scholar, wise to know the remedy. Now what is the problem in any understanding? If you don't understand any part of the case, please ask me. Everybody is so clever. What is the mathematics of aluminum bromata? What are the rubrics of aluminum bromata?
Constipated mind.
Constipation is there in alumina, na? He was operated for the piles.
Yes, sir.
So this remedy aluminum bromatum is not present in our Mathemedica and is not present in our repertoire. So don't go and search. But you clearly got the themes of alumina and bromium. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
So many times we get some, because we are prejudiced and we know the alumina, so you may jump to the alumina and we can cut the case. But if you give enough time to the patient may explain other things also which has to be collaborated with the alumina. So it is, in my life I use first time aluminum bromatum. Alumina I come to know in very first 30-40 minutes, but I kept pace with the patient and I got the exact sensation of bromium also. So in minerals you can have n number of combinations like calcarea carb, calcarea oxide, calcarea nitricum, calcarea mur, calcarea iodide, calcarea muriaticum, calcarea ars, anything. So if we get some part or left hand side part comes very easily in our cases, but we should be very patient and listen to the patient so that we can also get if cation is present on if anion is present on other part.
Sir, bromine is belong to the halogens, no, sir?
Halogen group, yes.
Yes, sir.
Halogen group.
Sir, so please, can you explain something about this? Means here we came to bromatum, no? Aluminum bromatum. Just please
Yes.
explain, sir.
What kind of explanation you want? Bromium part is coming when he's explaining the woman factor. He wants to hit himself. You see his hands were so restless. He was tapping like this. This is the fidgety. If you remember, the Hussain sir had shared the case of calcarea bromatum. Yeah, earlier also had shared the case of kali bromatum. In bromatum, you will always see this. They are very restless in their fingers. And in zinc, you see the fidgety in legs, in foot.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that is why I shared the video. Any doubt till?
Why self-harm was not considered? That, as you were saying that I want to slap myself.
I'm not able to listen to you. Can you speak a bit loudly?
Why self-harm was not considered, as he was again and again saying that I want to slap myself.
So many of the times you have seen in the quarrels and in the people used to hit their own face like this. मैंने गलती कर दी, हाय तौबा, हाय तौबा, हाय तौबा. This is bromium part. पछतावा हो रहा है मेरे से, मैंने गलती कर दी, ये मुझसे नहीं होना चाहिए था. कैसे हुआ? रेप के बारे में भी वही बोल रहे कि I must have controlled myself. They are that much concerns about their mistake, but it gets happen in heat of moment, and then they repent on it. यार मेरे से क्या होगा ये, मैं इसे कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I do a rape? He is not doing simple robbery. He is not pickpocketing. He is not just only murdering, but he is doing a rape. It is a very heinous act in terms of mankind. It is not just a mistake, but it's a crime. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Now, what is the relationship between alumina and lycopodium? Can anybody explain me?
So Lyco is ambitious, na?
No, not in that way. I am not that much very good in repertory and mathematics. Lycopodium is the only plant or one of the major plant who absorbs alumina from the earth. So you have all got confused whether it's alumina or lycopodium or something else. Many of the times we don't read the full name of the remedy. We don't read the last few lines of the remedy. Even it is written in boric also. Lycopodium is the plant who absorbs aluminium from the earth. Now in the group also for the whole day everybody is confused. समझ में नहीं आता. So that is the experience of alumina. Where do you find
मैं भी
aluminium?
एल्यूमिना मैं भी
Yes, sir, you are
एल्यूमिना
written
ऐसा
it.
लगा था मुझे ये
Confusion of
लिखा था मैं
identity. You are written in the morning
ये हो
only.
गया था
सर
ये
सभी एल्यूमिना में ही है
Sir,
आपके केस में.
I have to ask again one question. How
Yes,
does
sir.
this came into your mind to show the picture to the patient?
No, it is my routine procedure. My every case I show this picture. And even I shared that woman one also.
Really, this was new for me. That's why I was asking. It's a good
Yeah. No problem.
idea to
Actually,
bring
this is type
about the
of
whole personality of a person.
See, I shared in the group. This is woman one. This is from the Shankaran sir's book. If you read my all cases, you will at least see one paragraph denoted for woman one. This is the technique for free association used in psychology. Where do you find aluminium? Our Earth's surface is majorly created of or compounding of silica, alumina and oxygen. At the third number is aluminium, and India is one of the largest producer of aluminium, and you don't have to dig so much. It can found on Earth's surface like silica. So silica also eventually came in many answers. You have heard the name of bauxite. That bauxite is the combination of aluminium. It is aluminium oxide only. We have studied this in our 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard. In geography, in industry. So I had shared the second song in which that saint is creating utensils out of the clay. That clay is aluminium, and during he gets so much engrossed with his devotions, with his music, that he crushes his son in that clay, and even didn't know that he has crushed that son. So what would happen if something happens from our side like this? Anything if happens that we crush our child, what would be the experience of us? क्या आपका एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा अगर आपके हाथ से ऐसे कुछ हो गया तो?
ये मैंने कैसे किया, इतना बड़ा पाप मेरे से कैसे हुआ अनजाने में, जो
दैट
भी
इज द
हुआ।
sin. मेरे हाथ से इतना बड़ा पाप कैसे होगा? दैट इज माई sin. दिस इज ब्रोमियम पार्ट. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
So what would have happened if just I had given him a plain alumina? रिजल्ट आता था क्या उससे?
No. Sir, what about first song?
फर्स्ट
पहला सॉन्ग आपने बोला था ना, अमिताभ बच्चन का दे दे प्यार दे वाला।
क्या सॉन्ग था, बोलिए आप।
वो दे
सर
दे प्यार
उसका
दे।
स्टार्टिंग मीना से हुआ था, सो एल्यूमिना।
मीना, ओ मीना,
अच्छा
कहाँ
ओके।
है तेरा ठिकाना, एल्यूमिना, ए एल्यूमिना। और उसमें क्या था, वो प्यार मांग रहा था। तो एल्यूमिनियम कम्स इन द रो 3 वेयर यू वांट लव, केयर, नरिशमेंट, फूड, नर्चर।
ओके ओके।
नेट्रम, म्यूरेटिकम, सिलिशिया, फॉस्फोरस, सल्फर, मैग्नीशियम।
ओके साहब, गूगली
So
पे
रो,
गूगली थी।
गूगली पे गूगली नहीं, इट्स अ सिंपल थिंग। उसने, अमिताभ बच्चन ने नाम बोला आपकी मेडिसिन का। इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल थिंग।
थर्ड सॉन्ग के बारे में बताइए।
कौन सा?
दिस जातील।
वो महाडिक सर के लिए था। उन्होंने सवेरे बोला था की दिवस आता दिवस जायची वेळ राहिलेली नाही, म्हणून मला दिवस जातील तरी सुद्धा। मराठीतला तो प्रोवर्ब आहे। अभी दिन जाना हिंदी में
हिंदी में नहीं समझा सकते यार वो।
अब वही बोल रहा हूँ, दिवस जाणं ही गोष्ट वेगळी मराठीत। पैर भारी होना, पाव भारी होना, दिन जाना यानी पाव भारी होना, टू बिकम प्रेग्नेंट। And now I'm turning to the follow-up. After first month he was very good, but he didn't turn up for the second month and he's feeling weakness. He had taken only 1 or 2 doses of aluminum bromatum 1 mg. Now he's not even ready to come to the clinic. He say, I'm not getting any relief from you. Rather, my condition is worsened. So what must be the mistake? And what should have to be done in such scenario? Now remedies reveal, potency is revealed, so I don't think there is any problem. But this kind of scenario, this kind of events happen in our clinic. दवा दे दिया लेकिन पेशेंट बोल रहा पहले महीने में ठीक था, लेकिन नेक्स्ट में अभी मुझे फर्क नहीं लग रहा, कंडीशन मेरी बद से बदतर हो गई। व्हाट टू डू? टेक इट इज हैपन इन योर ओन क्लिनिक, व्हाट यू वुड हैव डन? अगर आपके क्लिनिक में ऐसे होता है तो आप क्या करते हो, क्या करोगे?
सर लोअर डाउन पे शिफ्ट होके रेगुलर थोड़ा।
ओके, और
रिटेक केस रिटेक करेंगे।
यस, दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग। लेकिन अभी पेशेंट डर गया है, बोला 2-2 घंटे हम नहीं बैठेंगे। patient loses confidence in homeopathy, in homeopathic doctor at such times. तो क्या हो सकता है? उसने मुझे बोला कि मुझे वीकनेस आ रही है, मुझे काम करने का दिल नहीं कर रहा, मैं पड़े रहना चाहता हूँ बिस्तर पे, जबरदस्ती मैं काम पे जा रहा हूँ, हफ्ते में एक एक दो छुट्टी हो रही है मेरी, तो व्हाट शुड बी डन? Bed remain desire to indifference to business, or
Concentration difficult.
Fear of taking consultation.
Difficult. तो सर एसिड वीकनेस भी इतना प्रोमिनेंट है, तो सर एसिड ग्रुप की मेडिसिन देंगे.
So this is the prejudiceness of homeopaths. हमें सिर्फ होम्योपैथी आती है, बाकी कुछ नहीं आता. We don't know the biochemistry, we don't know the physiology, we don't know the anatomy, we don't know the medicine pathology. Firstly, he had come to us for diabetes. Then if he is feeling weakness, what must be the reason?
शुगर कम हो गया होगा सर उसका.
पहला शुगर चेक करना पड़ेगा. शुगर चेक करना पड़ेगा पहले.
शुगर चेक करके अगर रिजल्ट आ गया उसका 130 और 132 है, फास्टिंग उसका 130 और पीपी उसका 132 है, तो
मेटफॉर्मिन बंद करना चाहिए. मेटफॉर्मिन बंद करना
दवाई जो
चाहिए.
एलोपैथिक चल रही है वो बंद करना पड़ेगा.
Yes. So do not always go with the bed remain desire to indifference to business. ये चीजें भी हमें देखनी पड़ती है, because for a patient we are homeopath, all in one formula है हमारे पास. We are neurophysician, neurologist, MD skin, cardiac, DM medicine, everything. So many of the times we commit a mistake and we go for a recase taking. We select this kind of rubrics and try to prescribe, and patient says I'm not feeling better. So these are some common sense. If the patient is on allopathy, try to see his prescription. Even though I said in my case I do not want to treat your diabetes and eruptions, but as a doctor I must remember his health condition, his diagnosis. Now he is off metformin, so many times we should have little bit of knowledge of allopathic remedies, allopathic medicines. Otherwise we will fall on our mouth, we are fall on our face. So many times you have to taper the allopathic medication. You have to take the, as he has taken this metformin from the general practitioner, so I didn't bother. Otherwise I would ask him to go to the see physician, and his HB1C is 6.7 after 2 months of medication. So after the reports he became very happy, and when he stopped his metformin he started feeling normal. So always in a case there will be very ups and down. It will not be a straight line, dawa di and ending like a Hindi film. Now they started living ever happily. ऐसे ओपीडीज में नहीं होता है काम, बहुत मगजमारी करनी पड़ती है, बहुत अप्स एंड डाउन आते हैं. Many times we have to do counseling, many times we have to do many other things which are not been written in our books, but our success depends upon such things also. Any doubt till?
कचड़ा फेंका उधर.
Any doubt, or shall we stop here?
अरे पूछो क्या नहीं पूछो, ऐसा मत करो, जिसको पूछना है पूछो।
सर
Don't
डायबिटीज
be
के
in
केस में
alumina stage.
जनरली डायबिटीज के केस में अपना मतलब होम्योपैथी का कैसा मतलब जनरली कांस्टेंट रिजल्ट है या थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, मतलब डिफिकल्ट है क्योंकि
इस केस में थोड़ा जल्दी रिजल्ट आया, बट आई डोंट एश्योर दैट इट विल कम इन एवरी केस. इस केस में थोड़ा जल्दी आया. What is the
क्योंकि
reason
मैंने
for
सुना
his diabetes? Because of his anxiety. He is creating negative hormones in his body, and that are blocking the insulin entry.
नहीं मतलब जैसे सुनते ना होम्योपैथी में मतलब डायबिटीज ट्रीट करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. Is
Yes,
it
yes,
true?
yes. Even one homeopath, one legendary homeopath from Pune had refused him to treat for diabetes. He had told him that I will treat only eruption. I cannot treat the diabetes. But if you attended Dr. Pradeep Kumar Gupta's seminar on the 10th April, he had clearly told, don't bother by the diagnosis, try to take the case and go with the remedy. So that is what I am telling you. Even if you get some kind of a very fabulous result, it doesn't. Sometimes, if we lacking in the allopathic knowledge, if we are not done that kind of bedside, then we just try to take the case on for second time, or we try to select the rubrics like bed remain desire to indifference to business, and this kind of things make us very fail. So we have to be very conscious and constant aware that what is happening around the case also. Is there anything happen within the family? Is there anything happen at the workplace? Is having any acute stress, any depression, any disappointment? So we have to see also that, and with the diabetes also we have to advise him that some diet, some regular exercises. Not only the medicine will play the role, but some good regimen which is written in the organelle also. We have to advise it also. So it is not a duty of a physician is not to just select the correct similimum and prescribe it, but you have to see near around also what has to be treated in that patient. So that is why written in the maintaining cause of occasionalis. This is very helpful in our practice. Over a period of time, we forget it and we just focus on the medicine. It is necessary, it is very essential. But along with that, we need to see all these things. Like in our plate, we take a sabji, chapati, but along with that, we like pickle है, चटनी है, कोशिम्बीर है. ये जैसे चाहिए वैसे ये सब चीजें हैं. इसके सिवा हमारी थाली पूरी नहीं होगी कभी. And now, when we get attached to some particular system, we are very bound to forget all these things. So this is not to be done in our practice, and it takes a great cost in the terms of patient, in the terms of health, in the terms of reputation of homeopathy and physician.
नहीं इसमें से जैसे टीयू स्पॉट वगैरह आप ना तो वो उसका रोल कितना
सर
है?
आपका आवाज थोड़ा लाउड करेंगे.
सॉरी नहीं बायोकेमिक्स है ना अपना सर, उसका रोल कितना है इसके अंदर?
Yes,
मतलब जैसे बायोकेमिक्स
biochemic, we can use it in the as a homeopathic drugs also. I don't use biochemics, but if you want to use calcarea sulf, or if you want to use a calcarea phos, you can use it constitutionally also. I generally do not use, but if I want to use calcarea phos, then I will use it as a constitutionally. And if there is some acute problem, like you have to use for the fracture of a bone, then you can use calcarea phos as a biochemical. But in chronic cases, I avoid it. I'm not that much comfortable with the patents biochemic.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Anything more? Any doubt? If you have not understand anything, please feel free to ask. Never trust, because trust creates a belief and belief creates a blindness. You must ask questions to your mentors, teachers. You try to understand, because we have understand the case, so may not 100% come out of me while I'm speaking, but through your questions I may be able to give you some facets which you have not understand, and your questions will be helpful to the others also.
So if any diabetic is under treatment, he gets results in his symptoms, but the diabetes is same. The allopathic medicines are going on. Means the medicine is not proper because the symptoms keep on recurring after 2 to 3 months and all. So
What
is it
should be
that our
done at such
medicine is not
times?
proper?
So what Dr. Kent has written is, if the general condition of patient is improved, then sign and symptoms or reports will get better eventually. Suppose if the themes or sign and symptoms are keeping repeating or keep coming after some period, then our medicine is temporarily acting. We may have to address the miasmatic background like SORA, psychosis, syphilis, or new miasms like leprous, cancer, tubercular, ringworm, malaria. Or you can revive the case also. So that is what my aim is, that it is never happen. It's not happening regularly. दवा दी, पेशेंट ठीक हो गया, सब कुछ हिंदी फिल्म की तरह वो हैप्पी एंडिंग हो गया. Our journey starts after our prescription only. Why second prescription is very important in homeopathy? We are now forgetting all these basic things. So whatever may be the new construction, it should be based on basic things. So we should not forget miasmatic theory. Maybe in your case, that patient may need anti-miasmatic remedy, may need to treat SORA, latent SORA hai. So all these concepts we are forgetting. So my main aim is that we should remember all these basic things along with the new things, and then the combination will be a very useful, very permanent, very rapid.
सर लोग क्या बोलेंगे, ये कौन से माइजम में आता है? सोसाइटी में नाम खराब नहीं होना चाहिए, उनका मेन
अभी
थिंकिंग ये है वो पेशेंट.
एल्यूमिनिया का माइजम क्या है मैडम, बोलिए.
साइकोटिक रेमेडी है ना.
प्रॉब्लम साइकोसिस है सर.
एल्यूमिनिया सिफिलिटिक, सिफिलिस माइजम की
साइकोसिफिलिटिक ना सर, साइकोसिफिलिटिक होगी ना.
नहीं, सिफिलिटिक है सर. ब्रोमेटम किस में आती है?
ब्रोमेटम प्रोबेबली सिफिलिटिक है.
सिफिलिस है ना सर, खुद को ब्लेम कर रहा है पाप करने के बाद.
आज के लिए होमवर्क है, आप पढ़ लेना कोई भी बुक से और ग्रुप में डाल देना. एल्यूमिनिया कौन से माध्यम से, ब्रोमियम कौन से माध्यम से.
कौन सी बुक हम जो पढ़ सकते हैं, रेफर कर सकते हैं मियाज्मेटिक स्टडी के लिए?
मैथमेटिक्स स्टडी के लिए आपको फिर एच.ए. रॉबर्ट्स की ऑर्गेनन है, केंट सर की ऑर्गेनन की बुक है. मैंने तो इतनी पढ़ी और 6th एडिशन है. ऑलवेज रीड वंस इन अ ईयर. Around April month I read it organ every time, every year.
हेलो सर.
Yes ma'am.
इस केस में आपके एल्यूमिना के एंट्री क्या थी, कैसे थी सर, कैसे लिया?
फर्स्ट एंट्री मेरी हमेशा हुई है मुझ में क्या कमी है, दैट इज मिनरल किंगडम. एंड देन एक्चुअली इस पेशेंट हैज यानी इस पेशेंट ने 5 से बहुत पहले दिया था, बट आई ट्राई टू नॉट टू गेट जंप ऑन द कंक्लूजन. जब उसने बोला कि मुझ में कुछ कमी है, मुझ में कुछ डाउट है, आई एम कावर्ड, ही इज ब्लेमिंग हिमसेल्फ, दैट इज मिनरल किंगडम. एंड देन मिनरल किंगडम में उसको चाहिए क्या कि डिसीजन नहीं ले पा रहा हूं मैं. तो ये जो डिसीजन लेने की पावर है ये आती है रो 3 में. रो 3 में आती है, कॉलम 3 में भी आती है. ये कंफ्यूजन रहता है करो कि नहीं करूं. जैसे एल्यूमिना है, ऊपर बोरेक्स है सेकंड रो में, थर्ड में फोर्थ रो में स्कैंडियम है. सो इनमें हमेशा कंफ्यूजन रहती है कि आगे जाओ कि वहीं पे रुको, ये पीछे जाओ. So this is the theme of a column, confusion of column 3. And love, care, nutrition, affection, decision, clothes, everything comes in row 3. So it is actually very systematic way of solving the equation. जैसे हम लोग स्कूल में equation लिखते थे, solve करते थे, वैसे ही. Row 3, column 3, alumina. Row 4, column 17, bromium. So aluminum, bromium. I don't know the mathematics of aluminum bromine because it is not in our mathematica, and it is not in our repertory also. 0 rubrics are present, but sometimes with this kind of a system you can hit the remedy like this also. It takes up the burden of repertory mathematica. It is not good, but everything cannot be proved in one lifetime.
Okay.
Hello,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. I have one question. When you ask the patient, what do you feel when you see such women? Patient answered you, ladies look must decent and they must carry themselves properly. What is that, sir? Which rubric we will take there?
No, I had not
What is
taken
that?
the rubric because I don't take rubric at such level. It is very superficial. It is at a 5B.
But
What he's told us,
huh.
okay, they should carry decent. So I asked him, what would be the effect if they are inviting the rape? So you just decide, you just imagine I had showing you one picture and he's coming to the rape. Now my next question was not how you are feeling doing the rape. I asked him what is the effect of a rape victim. So did this rape happen to him anytime in his lifetime? Hello?
सर यही आया था माइंड में, बट कैसे करेंगे कंफर्म?
Did this rape happen to him in his lifetime? No. Did he had committed rape anytime?
मुझे
So
ऐसे
what we
लगा
take? हाँ.
कि वो
So
मतलब चाइल्ड अब्यूज वगैरह का कुछ शिकार हुआ है कि ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है.
हाँ, हो सकता है. अभी उसने मुझे बात बताई नहीं है तो आई विल नॉट एज्यूम इट. आई विल टेक व्हाट द पेशेंट हैड टोल्ड मी इन क्लियर वर्ड्स. And you cannot expect that you will open up anybody's lifetime in 2 hours or 3 hours or in 1 year. It is a very long journey. But sensation is non-human, means it is completely out of context. If you read my at least last 10 cases of woman 1, everybody had described individually. It is very unique to that person. Everybody describes it in his own way. That his own way is his view. It is the individualization of that patient. And many times it is very useful to cut off the patient from the stories, because many times we get lost in the stories, in the situation, and this creates a lot of confusion in prescription. Even his wife told us that he is not ready to take decisions. So it is very easy to come to the alumina part. But the bromium part might have been remain hidden for his lifetime if we have not probed him. So जितना हो सके उतना 1 घंटे 2 घंटे में जितना आप खींच सको पेशेंट से, जितना आप एब्सॉर्ब कर सको, जितना डिग आउट कर सको उतना कर लो. And what is sensation? Sensation is always present from the birth to the death, from womb to tomb. It will not go, it will just get diluted. Now, as Maharik sir ने request किया, तो I will try to show you some cases, video cases, where patient in a 2 years, in a 20 years speaking the same language. 20-20 साल तक patient की language same रहती है. So we have to reach up to that depth of a mind. We have to reach to that depth of a consciousness. And if you prescribe that at that level, the patient's life changes. So I like this system.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can I say something?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, वही सर आप जो सेंसेशन मेथड बोलते हैं तो वही है कि स्पिरिचुअली भी देखे या जनरल रियलिटी में देखे तो सेंसेशन इज सबकॉन्शियस माइंड का ही रिप्रेजेंटेशन है, ताकि वो डीप लेवल पे तो वही एक्ट होता है. जैसे अगर हम आइडियल स्टेज में है तो सेंसेशन तो चलते ही रहते हैं, तो ही परसीव ऑल द वे on a sensation based only. Our reaction, action and reaction based on sensation only. तो हम जब विपस्यना मेडिटेशन करते हैं तो सेंसेशन ही तो हेड टू टू हेड सेंसेशन ही देखते हैं कि भाई दबाव आता है, खिंचाव आता है, हीट होती है, गर्मी होती है. दिस इज द प्राइमरी एंड बेसिक सेंसेशन ऑफ द पर्सन. बाद में हम उसको कॉन्सेप्चुअलाइज करते हैं. तो सेंसेशन मेथड इज द डीपेस्ट एंड अल्टीमेट मेथड विच आई अंडरस्टैंड. इतना ही.
ओके, और किसी कुछ क्वेश्चन या वाइंड अप करें सर जी?
पिक ऑफ वुमेन 2 डाल दीजिए. वुमेन 2 का पिक नहीं डाला ना आपने?
It will come. I will do it tomorrow because that book is in my Hussain sir. If you have woman to please add it in the group.
सर नमस्ते. मेरी रिक्वेस्ट थी सर, इज देयर एनी बुक ऑन माइंड और एल सीरम? एल सीरम
थोड़ा ऊंचा बोलिए. Yes, ma'am.
एनी बुक ऑन माइंड ऑफ एल सीरम? ईल सीरम.
L serum. Serum Anguinelli. क्या है serum Anguinelli?
सॉरी सर, मेबी मैं हॉस्पिटल में.
So from where we prepare this serum? What is the source of serum Anguinelli?
Sir,
eel serum का source क्या है?
eel.
What is that eel?
It's a fish, sir.
Okay. We are right now very sophisticated tools like
Sorry, sir. I'm not able to understand.
eel serum fish से बनता है. What is that fish?
सर वो ईल होती है ना, ईल फिश. और ये है कि it has the power to regenerate the skin. होती है. वैसे तो पैथोलॉजिकल है. It helping kidney and hypertension related with the kidney problems. सब पैथोलॉजिकल है. माइंड कहीं नहीं मिला मुझे.
इसका प्रूव नेट पे शायद अवेलेबल होगा. मिला तो मैं आपको भेजता हूँ, नहीं तो फिर वाइटल प्रेस में क्या लिखा है वो मैं आपको कल परसों सेंड कर दूंगा.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
सर जो आपने वो जो हेचे रॉबर्ट वाली जो बोली सर, उसकी वो ऑर्गेनन है उनकी और क्या?
हाँ, मैं ऑर्गेनन की बुक की बात कर रहा था।
उन्होंने भी ऑर्गेनन का मतलब ट्रांसलेशन किया, मतलब
उनके खुद के भी कुछ थॉट्स उन्होंने लिखे हैं। और कभी कभी क्या होता है कि मटर मेडिका में बिटवीन व्हाइल दे डिस्क्राइब द ड्रग और रेमेडी, दे पुट सम पार्ट ऑफ ऑर्गेनन इन इट. Our focus is only on sign and symptoms. So that is why we miss that part.
हेलो, चले फिर।
Yes.
किसी को कुछ पूछना है या फिर वाइंड अप कर दें? थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फॉर सो मच फॉर
थैंक यू
एल्यूमिनियम
सर,
एंड
प्रणाम सर, सबको प्रणाम।
Thank you.
इसी तरह से अच्छी अच्छी
H.
बातें
रॉबर्ट
सीखने
सर
के
की
लिए
फिलोसॉफी की बुक अवेलेबल है ऑन द लाइन, ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है, यू कैन रीड इट.
क्या नाम है उसका? नाम कैसे? हेचे रॉबर्ट फिलोसॉफी सर?
हाँ, H. रॉबर्ट्स फिलोसॉफी है, उनके नोट्स है. मार्डिक सर,
सेंसेशन एज इफ उन्होंने ही लिखा है सर ना सर?
हाँ
सेंसेशन एज इफ।
यस यस.
अच्छा ये वाली है, ओके 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 ओके।
हाँ सर बोलिए।
कभी कभी क्या होता है, नहीं आप जब लोग सवाल पूछते हो ना तो अंदाज अपना अपना होता है कि आपके एक एक सवाल मेरे दो दो जवाब. Then it's create a confusion. गलती तो नहीं की मैंने एल्यूमिनियम ब्रोमेटम.
बहुत मस्त पढ़ाया सर, बहुत। जितना सब लोग कहते हैं कठिन है सर ना, पढ़ने के बाद आसान भी हो जाता है और बहुत डेफिनिट रिजल्ट आते हैं सर। थोड़ा एक बार तो मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी सर, आप पढ़ाते हैं तो बहुत आसान हो जाता है।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सर, वेलकम सर।
चलो, deep gratitude for this case and VC. Thank you so much. आपका
थैंक यू,
शागिर्द
गुड नाइट
बनाने
एवरीबॉडी.
थैंक यू सर,
थैंक यू
प्रणाम
सर,
सर, सबको प्रणाम।
थैंक यू।
आपका शागिर्द बनाने के लिए और बनाए रखने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम नॉट
प्रणाम
फ्लैटरिंग
सर,
एट
प्रणाम सर।
ऑल, आई एम नॉट फ्लैटरिंग एट ऑल माय
सर
डियर
शिंदे सर तो मेरे गुरुजी के उससे जुड़े हुए हैं सर ना। मेरे गुरुजी ओशो जी पूना के हैं, शिंदे सर भी पूना के हैं। ये